Hi, I'm Lauren Brown. Welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a luxury homeware unboxing from Ballard Designs. I've been really excited for this decor piece, so now I can't wait to share it with all of you. I'm trying to figure out how to open it so that my address doesn't show on the box. I think this is upside down, so there's that. Hold on, you guys, hold on. All right, so this is the wonderful decor item that I got from Ballard Designs. Before I open it, can you guess what it is? Pause and leave a comment. Let me know. What do you think I got? I mean, the length might give a hint, but who knows? All right. Now that you've written your comment, okay. All right, let's get into it. Again, I'm using a 1/2 of a scissor here. Do be careful too, because you don't want to go too deep and then potentially scratch your item. This is likely a piece that has to be assembled, so I will not be doing the assembly here, but I will hopefully get to either insert a picture of this piece just assembled sans complete placement in situ, meaning in the location where it will finally display, or it will come out in one piece. I have no idea, but from the way it looks, I think it'll probably need a little bit of assembling. Also, let me take a juice break. If anyone is interested as well in what I put in my green juice, please do follow me over on TikTok. That's official Lauren Brown. And you can follow me also on Instagram at official Lauren Brown. No spaces, spelled normally, OFFICILLAURENBROWN. So official Lauren Brown for both my TikTok and for my Instagram. Go follow me over there. I put up recipes. I show my day in little bits and pieces that you might not see here on YouTube. So follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. I can't wait to meet you. Send me a message. Reach out. Say hi. I can't promise I'll say hi to everybody, but I am going to do my darndest because I really appreciate all of you just really supporting and liking and following and subscribing. It's crazy to me that it's possible for us to connect like this, people who may have never met. I love that. All right, let's get back to this. Something needs to be cut here. Sorry for the rear view. Sorry for the rear view. Hopefully it's not too upsetting for you. I feel like those cats when they walk through styrofoam and they have all these like bits of it all over them. They're so cute. Do you guys watch like the Munchkin channel where the owner puts her cats through, or their cat, I don't know what their gender is, puts their cat through all kinds of, like they have 3 cats and they go through all kinds of tribulation. Sometimes they make them walk on Jello, sometimes they make them walk on you know, sand or goo, or of course they are very well treated otherwise, but it's just quite funny to see. Okay, all right, well, I don't know if you guessed it from the shape, but it is an art display easel. Technically, this is the way. So I don't know how much height I get, but essentially what you do is there are these knobs here. You turn them and it tightens this bracket. There are 2 brackets. It tightens the bracket to the rod. Sorry, to the oh gosh, saying that sounds terrible. But And what you do is you expand it and contract it to hold artwork. So it becomes a beautiful tabletop display. Just imagine like I'm a portrait and then like you're just held. So let's see if I can work this. If I can't, we might need to contact Ballard's customer service. All right, let's see. I'm gonna get an artwork piece that I did when I was maybe 11 or 12 and see what it looks like in this. So hold on one second. This is not formally framed, and I should probably have this piece framed just to protect it a little bit, but yeah, this is crazy. I did this piece so long ago. Wow. So we're going to put it here, and we're going to lower this piece down to screw it in. Not so much to cause like chaos or mayhem, but just enough to, yeah. It still can move right now because, again, it's not in a proper, thick, juicy frame. But I figure this is a great way to see what it looks like. I have no idea what you're seeing, so I'll probably pop behind the camera real quick. Yeah. So there we have it. This thing is so tall that I don't think the top of this gets into frame. But yes, when we get a full-size frame for this, it'll probably add, you know, another inch or two to the top and bottom and really fill out the length of this piece. This art was the piece that the display easel was intended for. But the actual look of it in location is going to be very exciting. I'm very pleased with the quality of the construction. All the pieces are very well fabricated. You know, everything moves very smoothly, but also the joints are all really nicely, they're all really nicely tight. It's a clean piece. I have no complaints. The brass is kind of a brushed finish, but it has a little bit more of a yellow tone. I mean, kind of orangey almost, which I think kind of makes it lean a little more gold, which is my fave. I love gold as a metal, so hence my jewelry. Obviously I like gold. But yeah, so I hope that this was exciting for you the way it was for me. I've really enjoyed this piece with art in place, and you'll get to see this more in upcoming videos. So I'll talk a bit more about that in a few seconds, so I'll see you. And there you have our unboxing of the lovely tabletop art display easel from Ballard Designs. I really love the brass of the piece, and I hope you liked it too. And you'll get to see this in situ in one of our upcoming decor episodes, so please do stay tuned, and you can do so by pressing the like button and sharing. That really does help the channel a lot, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when we have our next luxury unboxings, as well as you'll get to see the video of all of the luxury unboxings and these pieces in place. Alright, well, this is Lauren Brown thanking you, and from me to you, I will see you in the next one. Bye.